New at 10, more details coming out of a 40-page claim filed against the Spokane Regional Health District. Former health officer Dr. Bob Lutz says he was fired illegally last year and now he's fighting to get his job back. KREM 2's Kyle Simchuk joins us live in the studio tonight to break down what else is in the claim. Kyle?
Well, Lutz is also asking for a $1.4 million in damages. The claim highlights tension between Lutz and some elected officials who he says were more concerned about the economy than public health.
Almost exactly a year after he was fired as Spokane's health officer, Dr. Bob Lutz is filing a legal claim, indicating he plans to sue for wrongful termination and defamation. Here's what Health District Administrator Amelia Clark said about Lutz last year.
It is clear to me that Dr. Lutz is unwilling to make the necessary changes to be a successful part of the Spokane Regional Health District team moving forward.
Clark cited a long list of personal and professional misconduct allegations against Dr. Lutz. However, the claim states Lutz's personnel file contains no performance evaluations from her. The only one in his file was a favorable evaluation in 2018, a point he brought up last year.
You will find that they in no way constitute a reasonable basis to fire me.
Lutz believes his termination was politically motivated, specifically his response to the COVID-19 pandemic. In his court filing, Lutz states some local leaders were upset when he closed playgrounds, required masks, and canceled a large middle school basketball championship. According to the claim, Lutz and elected officials also butted heads when he refused to initiate a request to move to Phase 3 of the state's reopening plan. Lutz says the relevant metrics were not being met at the time. The claim also mentions that Commissioner Al French wanted Lutz to go away, saying his COVID response did not match the economic and political views of certain SRHD board members. Lutz says health board members were also upset when they learned he attended a Black Lives Matter march and wrote an op-ed piece about structural racism. In a statement, Dr. Lutz says in part, "I took a stand for public health. It cost me my job." Lutz adds, "The motives of others will not deter my advocacy. I will continue to stand for public health."
And Lutz claims leadership at the health district made insensitive, unprofessional, and untrue statements about him. KREM 2 has reached out to health board members. They are unable to comment due to the pending litigation. Mark?